of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the ruby-throated hummingbird. This little hummingbird has a bright greenish gold back and head, and they're grayish underneath. The males have a bright red iridescent throat patch that looks dark in shadow but really sparkles in the sun. This hummingbird has a slightly down-curved bill and relatively short wings. Ruby-throated hummers live in woods and grasslands and in towns and cities. They winter in Central America and summer in eastern North America. Like other hummingbirds, they have tiny legs and can't walk or hop, just perch. Their nest is a little cup of grass, leaves, and spiderweb, usually built on a branch, but sometimes built close to a house, often on a wire, metal chain, or extension cord. They make little chip calls and little chee-dit calls, and their wings can make a surprisingly loud hum. Tune in next week for another